101 is the natural number following 100 and preceding 102. It is variously pronounced 101, 101, 101, 101, and 101. As an ordinal number, 101st rather than 101th is the correct form. In mathematics, 101 is the 26th prime number and a palindromic number. The next prime is 103, with which it makes a twin prime pair, making 101 a chain prime. Because the period length of its reciprocal is unique among primes, 101 is a unique prime. 101 is an Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part and real part of the form. 101 is the sum of 5 consecutive primes. Given 101, the Mertens function returns 0. 101 is the fifth alternating factorial. 101 is a centered decagonal number. The decimal representation of 2101 minus 1 is 2,535,301, 200,456, 458,802, 993,406, 410,751. The prime decomposition of that is 7,432,339, 208,719, extension 3411175310003, 194129 for a 3-digit number in base 10. This number has a relatively simple divisibility test. The candidate number is split into groups of 4, starting with the rightmost 4, and added up to produce a 4-digit number. If this 4-digit number is of the form 1008 plus 100b plus 10a plus b, such as 3232 or 9797, or of the form 100b plus b, such as 707 and 808, then the number is divisible by 101. On the 7-segment display of a calculator, 101 is both a strobogrammatic prime and a dihedral prime. 101 is the only existing prime with alternating 1s and 0s in base 10 and the largest known prime of the form 10n plus 1. In science, in mineralogy, a Miller index of 101 is a crystal face that crosses the horizontal axis and 3D vertical axis but does not cross the 2D vertical axis. In physics and chemistry, it is the atomic number of mendelevium, an actinide. In astronomy, it is the Messier designation given to the pinwheel galaxy in Ursa Major. In books, according to books in print, more books are now published with a title that begins with 101 than 100. They usually describe or discuss a list of items, such as 101 ways to, or 101 questions and answers about. This marketing tool is used to imply that the customer is given a little extra information beyond books that include only 100 items. Some books have taken this marketing scheme even further with titles that begin with 102, 103, or 1001. The number is used in this context as a slang term when referring to a 101 document, what is usually referred to as a statistical survey or overview of some topic. Room 101 is a torture chamber in the novel 1984 by George Orwell. Creative Writing 101 by Raymond Carver, A Writer's Values and Craft. This was what the man taught and what he stood for, and this is what I've kept by me in the years since that brief but all-important time in education. In American university course numbering systems, the number 101 is often used for an introductory course at a beginner's level in a department subject area. This common numbering system was designed to make transfer between colleges easier. In theory, any numbered course in one academic institution should bring a student to the same standard as a similarly numbered course at other institutions. In other fields, Charter of the French Language Bill 101. Cantons of France, 101 departments. U.S. Route 101. Taipei 101, the tallest skyscraper in the world from 2004 to 2010. 101st kilometer, a condition of release from the Gulag in the Soviet Union. The first course in a subject taught at a college or university in Australia, Canada, South Africa, or the United States. By extension, Topic 101 is used generally to indicate the basics of any subject. Used this way, it is always pronounced 101. 101 Ranch Oil Company, Waray Province, a province in Thailand. The name is literally 101 in Thai language. An HTTP status code indicating that the server is switching protocols as requested by the client to do so. For a new checking account in the US, the number of the first check, a term used to define the number of keys on a computer keyboard. 101 is the single non-emergency number in some parts of the UK. A telephone number used to call emergency services that are urgent but not emergencies. 101 is now available across all areas of England and Wales. ICAR 101 is a roadable aircraft design concept. 101 Dalmatians. The Zastava 101 is a compact car by the former Yugoslav automaker. Highways numbered 101, the longest and most well-known of which is U.S. Route 101. Rihanna, Rockstar 101. Vault 101 is the starting area of Fallout 3. Lebanese Red Cross M Center at Spears is coded 101. In gematria, a system of assigning numerical value to a word or phrase, 101 is the numerical value of the name. 101 is the identifying number of several infantry units in various militaries across the world, such as the American and Israeli paratrooper brigades. 101 was the tail number of a Polish Air Force Tu-154, which crashed on 10 April 2010 whilst on its final approach to Smolensk North Airport, killing all aboard including President Lech Kaczynski and his wife. See 2010 Polish Air Force Tu-154 crash. L'Ordre des Piliers du 101 is an important student association in Belgium since 1977. The Wonderful 101